In an ionic compound, oppositely charged ions are attracted strongly and packed closely together in a regular pattern called a lattice. For example, sodium chloride consists of sodium ions and chloride ions. Each sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions, and each chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ions. Ionic compounds are hard because the strong ionic bonds restrict the movement of ions. Ionic compounds have high melting point and boiling point because a lot of heat is required to overcome the strong attractive forces between the ions. Ionic compounds are usually soluble in water but insoluble in non-aqueous solvents. There are attractive forces between ions from the ionic compounds and water molecules. These forces cause ions to move away from the solid and go into the water. However, some ionic compounds are not very soluble in water because the attractive forces between ions in the compound are stronger than those between the ions and water molecules. There are no such a strong attractive forces between ions from ionic compound and non-aqueous solvent. So, ionic compounds are insoluble in non-aqueous solvent. Ionic compounds can conduct electricity only in molten state or aqueous solution. In solid state, ions are not free to move. In molten state or aqueous solution, ions become mobile.